You all know Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is 700 verses, 18 chapters, and it is a scientific scripture. And let's hear what Bhagwan Krishna has to say about thoughts. He says, Dhyayatoho Vishyan Pumsaha Sangasteshu Upjayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodho Apijayate. Very scientific, what modern psychology talks of today. What he's trying to say? He's saying, when you're continuously thinking about the things which you feel, which you see, all your sense organs, which you can eat, which you can hear, so you develop an asakti. Asakti means you develop an attachment. An attachment builds in an ichcha. You have an ichcha, or you have a wish or a desire. And then what happens next? And when that desire, it becomes an anger, or in today's context, a fear. Because you are like, okay, I want this, but will that be possible? So it turns into a fear or an anger. Pretty scientific, huh? So what is he trying to actually say? Bhagwan Krishna, Lord Krishna says, you have a thought or a train of thoughts. Let's see here. You have a thought or a chain of thoughts, and you get attached to them, and they kind of become your need. And if that need is not fulfilled, if you feel it is not going to get fulfilled, either you will be frustrated, you'll be angry, or you will have that fear. And it will create disturbance into your system, and there will be a lot of stress and overthinking, which will really disturb you. Then he goes on to further saying, he told us that you have an attachment because of the thought, and there'll be a lot happening. He's not leaving us here. He has more to add. What is he saying? He's saying, Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smriti vibharmaha, smriti bhramshad buddhi nasho, buddhi nashad pranshayatihi. Now what is he trying to say here? He says, you're already angry, and today's context, let's add fear to it. So he says, when you are angry or you have fear, there will be a kind of moha, means a kind of attraction, which will be, getting something you are not able to get easily. You'll be attracted more, right? That growth, that fear is making you more attracted because you're thinking more of it. So it will become a passion, or it will become an obsession in today's world, and it will really tarnish all your memory of good, what good is to be done. And then when the smriti is going bad, your buddhi also goes bad, which is your intellect. And buddhi ka nash hote hi kya hota hai? You fall as a person. You're in a loop. Either you will be doing all wrong things, you'll be stressed, you will be in overthinking mode.